The Bleeding Edge, I want to show you my reflections on this documentary. It's for healthcare policy, law, and ethics. With this documentary, it exposes the hidden dangers of medical device industry, the lack of regulations, the devastating consequences for the patient, and it's directed by Kirby Dick. This documentary explores a couple of devices ensuring birth control, which is a sterilization for women, metal-on-metal hip replacements with the primary metal cobalt that is used. This documentary explains the details that cause life-altering harm to patients. It is a powerful reminder that human cost of regulatory failure this U.S. has, America has. It challenges us as future healthcare providers, advocates, and very concerned citizens to demand healthcare systems that prioritize safety over profit. The Bleeding Edge, it goes to show that how profit outweighs patient safety in the American industries, especially in medical. That the patient has no proper informed consent due to the lack of education and the want to have knowledge from doctors that are performing these procedures. It gives examples of how medical devices companies minimize negative reports of device failures to extend their profits. This film shows stories from individuals who have placed their trust in doctors that cause permanent chronic conditions with emotional trauma. How profit motivates influences what gets approved, or how little patients are told about the potential risk from the physicians that are performing these procedures. Critically thinking about the informed consent and patient advocacy, two things that should always come first in healthcare, but often are overlooked, especially when money is involved. I hope you take away with this documentary is the need for change at the policy level, at the Congress level. We must advocate for stricter FDA regulations, long-term studies for all high-risk devices, which anything goes into a human body should be high risk. Full transparency at any risk, at any monetary risk. Patients deserve real information so they can make informed decisions about what goes in and out of their body. Bleeding Edge is a documentary about the medical devices that are implanted a million times a day. It's a powerful reminder of human costs versus monetary costs that is not regulated by the government. It challenges us as healthcare providers, advocates, to demand more of our healthcare system, of our doctors, to prioritize our safety over their profits.